Assalamualaikum everyone who watched this video, especially our lecturer, Technologist Muhammad Ruzi bin Harun. Today we are excited to take you through the fascinating journey of ordinary raw material transformed into high quality cooking pots. For subject Bmkt 2643 manufacturing process. Our presentation will explore each critical step of the manufacturing process, showcasing the technique and precision required to deliver the product we use daily in our kitchen. Before we dive into the detail of manufacturing process cooking pot, I would like to introduce our my teammate member who have contributed to this presentation. First, we have I am Muhammad Yusuf bin Muhammad Ali. Second, Muhammad Azizi Ashraf bin Azimi. Third, Saiful Amirul Aziz bin Saiful Izam. And lastly, Muhammad Harid Hakim bin Masrizam from BMKV Section 1. In introduction for stage explore, this presentation examination 8 major steps in the production process, from rolling material to final packaging, highlighting how each step exchanges functionality, safety and aesthetic. Second, system production process. The manufacturing of cooking pots involves precise and accurate procedure to ensure a high quality, durable and reliable end product. And third, technology and craftsmanship. By understanding the process, we gain insight into the advanced manufacturing technique and craftsmanship behind everyday cookware. As you can see in our slide, we have 8-step process involved in manufacturing high quality cooking pot. First, rolling process. Second, blanking process, then deep drawing. Furthermore, surface treatment. After that, we have handling and accessory assembly. Next, quality control. And lastly, packaging for manufacturing process for cooking pot. Let me walk through the rolling process, which is the first critical step in manufacturing cooking pots. First, raw metal billets are heated to high temperature to make them more flexible. This step is essential to ensure the material can be shaped without cracking. Next, the heat billets are passed through a rolling mill, which compress the metal into a flat sheet. This process transforms the raw metal into sheet with a consistent thickness. Finally, uniform thickness is achieved. This is particularly important because it ensures that heat is distributed evenly when the pot is used for cooking. As shown on this slide, the rolling process makes up 50% of the total manufacturing time. This foundational step is a key to producing a high quality cooking pot. Once the sheets are prepared, we proceed to the blanking process where they are cut into a smaller circular piece for shaping. Now let's look at the blanking process, a crucial step in manufacturing cooking pots. First, cutting the blanks. In the step, sheet metal is cut into a smaller circular piece called blank using a punch press. This ensures the material is prepared for the next step with precision. Second, starting material. This blank serve as the foundation for shaping the pots. Their size directly determine the dimension of the final product. Lastly, efficient material use. The blanking process is designed to minimize material waste while ensure the blanks are prepared efficiently. As shown on the slide, some material waste is inevitable during this step, but this process accounts for 25% of the overall manufacturing time for the cooking pots. The efficiency of the step helps maintain resource optimization and reduce production costs. For the next step, with a blank ready, we now move on the shaping them into pots through the deep drawing process. Azizi will present about deep drawing.
Drawing process. Deep drawing process is a metal forming process where a flat sheet of metal is drawing into a die to create hollow cup-shaped parts. The first step of this process is positioning the blank. A flat metal blank is placed over the die cavity. The punch is aligned vertically above the blank. A binder is positioned to hold the blank in place and prevent wrinkling during the drawing process. Second step is application of binder force. The binder force is applied to hold the blank securely against the die. This ensures the material does not wrinkle while allowing controlled material flow into the die cavity. Third step is drawing of the blank. The punch moves downwards, pushing the blank into the die cavity. The drawing force is exerted by the punch, and the blank is stretched into the desired shape. The material flows from the edge to into the die while the binder maintains pressure to prevent excessive deformation of wrinkle. Last is the punch reach the bottom of the die cavity, completing deformation of the parts. The drawn parts now takes the shape of die cavity while the binder continues to apply pressure. Cleaning process is a manufacturing process that involves removing excess material from a workpiece to achieve the desired shape or size. The first step of this process is positioning. Place the formed part with excess material in the trimming die. Second, tool alignment. Align the trimming punch over the die, ready to remove the excess. Third, trimming. The punch moves downwards, cutting off the excess material as it passes through the die. Final parts, the trimmed part is released, leaving the desired shape and leaving the desired final shape. The excess material is separated for disposal or recycling.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Saiful Amirul Haziq bin Saifizam, and now I'm going to present about the surface treatment. So for the first process is material preparation. The first thing that they do is cleaning and decreasing the base material to remove impurities, and then they start about the surface preparation. The surface preparation is about technique like polishing, sandblasting, or etching to smooth and prepare the surface. And then application of coating. First thing is anodizing for aluminum. The electrochemical process for durability and corrosion resistance, and then uh, about non-stick coatings is sprayed or rolled on, often in multiple layers, then baked to cure, and then seasoning for cast iron. They apply oil and heat to create a natural non-stick layer. And then about curing or hardening. This process is about heat treatment to solidify and bond coatings with the pot surface. And then the last thing is quality testing. They ensure durability, adhesion, and non-stick performance through testing. So that's all about surface treatment. Thank you. And now I'm going to present about the handle and accessory assembly. So the first process is preparation. What they do is inspection to ensure handles, knobs, and accessory is defect-free, and then cleaning to remove dust or grease from components and parts. And for the second process is positioning to align handles and accessories to pre-mark location on the pod. And for the third process is attachment methods. For this process, they have many methods. For first method is riveting. This is common for metal handles and to ensure strong joints. For second method is welding, used for permanent metal handle attachments, and then screwing allows easy replacements, often used for plastic or backlight handles. And for last method is adhesive. This is a heat-resistant glue for lightweight accessories. And then for fourth process is quality check to verify alignment, tightness, and durability of attachments. And then test for heat resistant and ergonomic fit. And for the final touch is apply protective covers or coatings to prevent damage during transport. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hariat Kim Rizam. My number matrix B1323101667. So today I will explain about cooking pot in manufacturing process. So today I will explain to you about the quality control and packaging about cooking pot. Okay, so for the first I will explain about quality control. So, the inspector carefully examine each pot or a sample from the batch to spot any visible problem. These include cracks, dents, scratches, and uneven coatings. For cracks, small breaks in the material that could make the pot unsafe to use. And dents, bump or misshapen areas that could affect its appearance or usability. Scratches, marks that might ruin the finish or make cleaning harder. Uneven coatings, part of the pot where pan, enamel or non-stick layers are not smooth or consistent, which can affect performance and durability. So for functional testing, these steps ensures that the pot works as it should. Tests might include handle strength, checking that the handles are securely attached and can handle the pot when full. Lid fitting, making sure the lid fits properly without gaps or wobbling, which could affect cooking. Surface evenness, ensuring the bottom of the pot is flat so it sits properly on a stove and heats evenly. For random sampling, instead of checking every single pot, inspector randomly select a few from each batch. This saves time while still making sure the production process is consistent and reliable. If issues are found, the entire batch may be inspected or adjusted. So why cooking pot is important in quality control? So the importance is because of protect the customers. So this is because to ensure the product is safe and won't cause any harm during use. And then secondly, about build trust. A high quality product makes customer happy and keeps them coming back. So the customer is always use the cooking pot in safe. And last, about reuse problems. So the catching issues early prevents complaints or returns after the product is sold. Packaging, preparing the pot for sale and shipping. Packaging is a crucial final step in the manufacturing process that ensures the pot is ready for customer while safeguarding it during transportation. This process not only protects the product but also enhances its presentation, making it appealing to consumers and easy to handle during shipping and storage. The first step in packaging involves cleaning the pot. After manufacturing, pots may have residues like dust, grease, or other materials from the production process. These need to be removed to ensure the product is clean and ready use when it reaches the customer. Cleaning also helps maintain the pot's appearance, leaving it shiny and spotless. Next, the pot is wrapped in protective materials to shield it from scratches, dents, and other potential damage. Common materials include from sheets, bubble wrap, or plastic bags. This material act as a cushion, keeping the pot safe during handling, stacking, or transport. For delicate surface, additional padding may be used to prevent marks or scuffs. Once the pot is wrapped, it is placed in a sturdy box designed to protect it and enhance its appeal. The box often features branding such as the company logo, product name, and colorful designs, which help attract customers. Inside the box, essential items like user manuals, warranty cards, or care instructions are included. These materials provide customers with guidance on how to use and maintain their new pot. ensuring a positive user experience. The final stage involves preparing the box pods for distribution. The boxes are neatly stacked on pallets or in shipping containers to make transportation efficient. They may be secured with plastic wrap or straps to prevent shifting during transit. This organized approach minimizes the risk of damage, ensuring the pods arrive safely at their destination. So, the conclusion of the packaging. Packaging plays a vital role in protecting the pod, ensuring it reaches customer in perfect condition. Beyond protection, it also enhances the product appearance, provide valuable information, and ensure efficient distribution. By investing in effective packaging, manufacturers can deliver a high-quality product that meets customer expectation while maintaining their brand reputation. For conclusion, our presentation today, the manufacturing process of cooking pots involves several carefully planned steps to transform raw material into high-quality, ready-to-use product. It starts with rolling metal sheets to create a uniform base, followed by blanking where circular blanks are cut to shape. These blanks are then molded into pots through deep drawing. The edges are cleaned and refined during trimming and edge finishing to ensure safety and a polished look. And next, the pots undergo surface treatment to enhance their functionality and appearance, such as polishing or applying non-stick coatings. In the handle and accessory assembly step, parts like handles and lids are securely attached. Afterward, the pots pass through quality control, where they are inspected to ensure they meet high standards. Finally, the finished pots are packaged, cleaned, and placed in branded boxes ready for shipping to customer. This efficient and organized process ensure that the pots are durable, functional, and visually appealing when they reach a consumer. So that's all for today. Thank you.